This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare how to make pancakes and crepes step by step. We'll explore the fundamental differences in their ingredients and preparation, which result in their distinct textures. You'll learn how to achieve that perfect fluffy pancake or a beautifully thin, delicate crepe. We'll cover everything from mixing the batter to the ideal cooking techniques, ensuring your breakfast or dessert is always a delicious success. Let's get started. To create the perfect pancake batter, begin by whisking together your dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix just until combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will help ensure your pancakes are wonderfully fluffy. Avoid overmixing at all costs. For a silky smooth crepe batter, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and 1 cup of milk in a blender or food processor. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and a pinch of salt. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. This step is crucial for thin crepes. After blending, transfer the batter to a bowl, cover it, and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows the flour to fully hydrate, resulting in a more pliable and less tear-prone crepe. Now for the cooking, heat a lightly oiled non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. For pancakes, pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and bubbly. For crepes, pour about 1/4 cup of batter into the hot pan, quickly swirling it to create a thin, even layer across the bottom. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side until lightly browned. The first crepe often serves as a test, so don't worry if it's not perfect. Enjoy your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.